Okay, I told you we would do a video on how to do your utilities. This one's a bit tougher, so I am going to put on Edmodo this video and you'll see a chart. The chart you're going to see is this one. You can see this has electric and gas, and these are the numbers from my house. And you can see I started doing this back around 2003, 2004. The column that you're going to use is 2019. Now, you're not going to use my exact numbers because I have a home and I also have a swimming pool and a hot tub, which generate more numbers on this. So we have a math equation that you're going to use. And so what I want to show you with that is how we're going to use that to do this over here. Okay. So how we're going to do that, and I'm going to make this smaller so you can see me go back and forth here and see both of them at the same time. If you saw me do that just now, maybe you can figure out how to do that too, because not everybody knows how to do that. So on utilities, there's a helpful hints part. Okay. And with this helpful hints, it says there are two ways to do this. You can do either the first part here like this, comma, or like this. The first part is generally the easiest one. You would take the dollar amount, which is going to be these numbers here in 2019, divided by 15, multiplied by number of rooms in your apartment. Most of you, if you have a one bedroom, have 4 rooms. You have a bedroom, a bathroom, a living room, and a bedroom. 4 rooms. Almost a fourth only of what I have. That's how you're going to do this. So let's pull a calculator over here and we can see how this is going to work. It's so, remember, take the dollars, divide it by 15, times the number of rooms in your apartment. So we're going to start with January, and January electric was $169 plus the NICOR gas bill was $78 in January. We add those together, it's $247. We're going to divide that by 15 and then multiply that by number of rooms in your apartment. Remember, if you live in a 2-bedroom, you probably have 5 rooms, but we're going to use 4 for this one. 4 equals $65.87. $65.87. And then that's how much your January gas and electric bills are. So let's go back and do February then. 183 plus 110 divided by 15 times 4. So the February bill is $78.13. And that is how you do your gas and electric. If your apartment says gas is included or heat is included, that means everything else is electric. You will only do the electric numbers, excuse me, up here. You will not do this. If your apartment says all utilities included, you would not have to do this, but you would want to make sure you leave a note here. Remember, go to comment and you would say all utilities included, and that way I'll have to double check that. But this is how you do your gas and electric.